Today, I'll show you how to install and operate the Four-tank Parallel Filtration System. First, when the equipment arrives at the worksite, open the upper distributor flange and fill the 4 tanks with filter media. It is recommended to fill each tank to 1/2 or 2/3 full, leaving some space at the top to ensure backwashing performance. Each tank is equipped with a discharge port at the back for easy replacement of filter media. Next, connect the pipelines. Connect the raw water pipeline to inlet and the outlet to the storage tank or row system. Both the inlet and outlet use PN10 UPVC 8-hole flanges. Connect the drain outlet to the wastewater pipeline. Now start operating the valves to wash the system. Each of the 4 tanks is equipped with 5 ball valves, 2 sampling ports, and 2 pressure gauges. From top to bottom, they are raw water pressure gauge, raw water sampling port, inlet valve, backwash drain valve, backwash inlet valve, forward wash drain valve, outlet pressure gauge, and outlet sampling port. Note that when the valve handle is perpendicular to the pipeline, the valve is closed. We will take one tank as an example. The operation for the other tanks is the same. When starting the washing process, each tank should be cleaned one by one. While cleaning one tank, make sure to close all valves on the other tanks to ensure the best cleaning effect. First, perform the forward wash. Open the inlet valve and the forward wash drain valve. Water will flow from the upper distributor into the tank, through the lower distributor, and then out through the drain outlet. The forward wash usually takes about 5 minutes. Close the valves after washing. Next, perform the backwash. Open the backwash inlet valve and the backwash drain valve. Water will flow from the lower distributor into the tank, through the upper distributor, and out through the drain outlet. The backwash usually takes about 30 minutes. Close the valves after washing. After backwashing, we need to repeat the forward wash once more to compact the filter media and ensure good filtration performance. The forward wash time is also about 5 minutes. You can adjust the washing time according to the clarity of the drain water. When the drain water becomes clear, the cleaning process is considered complete. After all tanks have been cleaned, open the inlet and outlet valves of each tank to start operation. The treated water will gather into the main pipeline and flow out through the outlet. During operation, you can test the water through the sampling ports or compare the pressure difference between the inlet and outlet pressure gauges to determine whether the filter media needs cleaning. For easier monitoring, 2 pressure transmitters with signal output are also installed on the main pipeline. When the pressure difference reaches 0.5 bar, the tanks need to undergo another cleaning cycle. If you have any questions about the equipment, please contact our technical staff. We are always ready to assist you.